This frame is named after the god of sun, but if you saw the original lenses that came in it, there was nothing godlike about it.
You are now tuned in to the Optical gallery.
So this is the Akoni Helios in brushed gold. And to be fair, the frame does live up to the name. That brushed gold titanium doesn't scream for attention, it just catches the light properly. The bridge is solid, architectural, and it feels like it was engineered, not just designed. And then you've got Akoni's bolt hinge. Small detail but a serious bit of kit. That's the kind of thing you don't notice until you've handled enough frames and realise most aren't built like this. So basically, the frame came ready and the lenses didn't. So we started again. We built this with a bi-colour soft pink, mauve into a lighter pink gradient. Now this isn't just because it looks nice, although it does. It softens contrast, it takes edge off harsh light, and it means you can actually wear it indoors without looking like you've just come off the beach. Then we added a glamour coating, so when light hits it you get that subtle gold reflection. A little bit of flash, but we controlled it. We're not doing disco balls here. Now outside is where it wakes up. UV hits and it develops into a deep saturated pink. So you've got sharp distance vision and just enough help for your phone or your menus. Same frame, but now it actually behaves like something called Helios. Good design is one thing, but finishing it properly is another.